Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Mac OS version and keeping your admin password handy because you'll need it shortly. Once done, plug your MacBook into power to avoid battery-related option changes and to keep the display awake. Next, open System Settings, click the Apple menu, then System Settings. You're beginning the process now. Make sure to follow each step. This avoids confusion later, and it ensures the controls you need are visible, without interruptions from automatic sleep. You now work through the core controls. In System Settings, open either lock screen or battery. Mac OS names can vary, so check both. Once there, set display sleep and computer sleep timers to never, or slide them to the maximum to prevent sleeping. Disable automatic screen dimming so the display won't reduce brightness and trigger sleep. If available, toggle prevent automatic sleeping when the display is off or when plugged in. This keeps background tasks running. These changes stop sleep behavior at the system level. Finish by testing. Lock your MacBook and wait to confirm it stays awake for the configured period. If you prefer a command line fix, open Terminal and run sudo pmsetasleep0 to disable system sleep. Then verify with pmsetg. Make sure to use your admin password when prompted. If the Mac still sleeps, check for apps or peripherals that enforce sleep, then reboot to apply changes. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot after changes. It often resolves lingering sleep triggers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.